welcome back. Digital Slang back again. Another video, another pair of wireless earbuds. Today, the Urbanista Stockholm true wireless earbuds. These have been around for a little while now. They've been out for, man, at least a year, and the price has come down significantly. So if you're on a budget and you're looking for a solid pair, and I can't tell you if they're a solid pair yet, I'll tell you once we test them out, but these used to be over $100. Today on Urbanista's website, they're $70, and on Amazon you can pick them up new for $70 too. But they do have them refurbished on Amazon for like $35. So if these are any good, $35 is going to be a steal, because I bought these 4 months ago. Granted, when I got it, they didn't work, but I paid about $80 for them, right around Christmas time, and I returned them because they didn't work. I'm finally getting back around to another pair. But we're going to check them out. Specs, Bluetooth 5.0. There's not a lot of bells and whistles. Bluetooth 5.0, no wireless charging, no in-ear detection, but they do have touch controls that support everything, including the volume. Battery life is decent, not the best. 3.5 hours of juice, and another 3 times with the case. It does come in 4 colors, black, white, like a rose gold, and an olive green. I wanted the olive green one, but I got the black. Matte black, I dig the matte black, and I got these on eBay. I paid around $45 for them. I didn't even check Amazon, and I could have gotten them for $10 cheaper. But the Urbanista Stockholm true wireless earbuds. If we take a look at the packaging, I dig the packaging. It's simple, but I like what they do with it. It just looks cool to me. I don't know. I like the black and the white with the gold accents everywhere. You got gold accents here, and it's just pretty cool. You got some design work on the side, not just they put a little thought into their packaging, and I dig that. It's cool. So a picture of the buds. These are an AirPod style bud. No in-ear here. They're going to just hang in your ear canal, just like the AirPods do. And these are going to be very compact, but let's just get into it. So take a look. That's them on the front. On the back, we do have a picture of the case. It tells you a little bit more about the specs in 2 different languages. But let's open it up and check it out. And again, I got these on eBay for around $45, but you can get them on Amazon for even cheaper than that today, or you can get them brand new for around $70. So Urbanista, and this is what I mean by attention to detail, with little things, little accents, right? Gold foil on the inside that says Urbanista on it. And if we take these out, again, very small, very compact. This is the case, matte black, just hard plastic shell. It's going to be a micro USB to charge. This is your LED light right here. And that's it, man. It's just a hard plastic case. These are the actual buds. Hopefully there is some juice, or we're going to have to charge them up. And we take this out. We do get our user's manual, which is cool. And look at this thing, man. Come on, man. Look, if I was paying $100 and I got this, I'd be pissed off. Like, what the hell is this? Come on, hook me up. If I'm paying over $100 for a pair of earbuds, you better give me a little longer cable than this. This is ridiculous, and it's micro USB. So, $35. Okay, I'm not gonna complain anymore. But if I was paying $100 for that, I'd be a little annoyed. I'm already annoyed, but it is what it is. Let's throw these in the case and just see if they got some juice. Now, these are gonna connect through Bluetooth on iOS or Android. They'll connect the same way. If we go into settings, we go into Bluetooth, we open up the case. It does look like we have a little juice. If we take them out, they do pop up. Urbanista Stockholm. It's connecting. And we are connected. Let's turn up the brightness and the volume just slightly. And we'll start the testing. We'll throw them in. Again, AirPod style. And they are very comfortable. They're very light. They're very small, very compact. And I dig that. So we are connected, and we're just going to start the testing. I'm going to play some music, and we'll check them out. Sound quality, I'm not that impressed. It's crystal clear, don't get me wrong. There's some bass. It's a even sound all the way across the board, but nothing stands out. And for me, they're not loud enough. Let me try it again. Yeah, you can turn these all the way up, and for me, it's not enough. I like it to be loud, where I can turn it down a little bit, but even at full volume, these are not loud enough. But it does sound good, it's clear, and with this, you're not gonna get a lot of bass, because AirPod style buds, you don't get that bass anyway. They're not built for that. It's decent. If I'm paying $35, I'm okay with it. If I'm paying $100, I'm not so okay with the sound. but it is crystal clear, so keep that in mind. Let's keep going with the testing. Let's jump into YouTube, check the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. So no delay between audio and video, and that is a pleasant surprise. I'm excited by that because for me, when I get a lot of delay, when I get a lot of lag or latency, whatever you want to call it, it's almost a deal breaker for me depending on how bad it is. And if I can get this pair for 35 bucks or even the 60 bucks that the website is charging or brand new on Amazon, if I had the delay and I paid that much, I might be a little upset, but no delay. So you're good to go if you like to watch a lot of content and you own an Apple device. On Android devices, you're not going to have any delay anyway. But let's keep going with the testing. Let's do a mic test. We'll check out the mics. Now, they put a lot of work into these mics, so they should sound really good. So you guys be the judge. What up, guys? The mic test, the Urbanista Stockholms. Let me know how the mic sounds. I'm hoping they're comparable to Apple, who has been the king of the mics. But let me know how the mic sounds. All right, guys, next test, touch controls. Again, touch controls control everything, including the volume. So we'll just start with that. If we hit play, and there's a little logo on each bud. If you just tap it once on the right side, watch the volume slider. It's going to go up. And the left side, of course, it's going to go down. And 2 taps on the right bud is going to activate your voice assistant, whether that is Siri or Android. So 2 taps, there is our voice assistant. We go back in, and then to skip a track and go back, you're just basically touching and holding on each side. So if we hold on the right side, it's going to go to the next track. Do it again. Next track, and the left side goes back and goes back again. And touch controls work very well, very easy, and you're not touching hard at all. You're not tapping hard at all, so they work very well. Now, if you wanted to use one at a time, you can use one at a time, but only the left bud. That is the main bud that controls everything. And if you wanted to extend the battery life, again, battery life's decent. It's not the best, only 3.5 hours, but you can extend the battery life by using the left bud only. But other than that, no in-ear detection. So look, pretty simple stuff. Urbanista Stockholm, the sound quality is clear. I would like them to be louder. They're not as loud as I typically like my earbuds to be, but the touch controls work. And the fact that they've come down in price helps. I'm okay with some of the things about these. No delay between audio and video, and that for me is a big deal. That would be a deal breaker on most buds if there's some delay. And again, 4 colorways: olive green, like a rose gold, white, and black. Of course, I got the black. Last time I had the olive green, but I had to return them. They didn't work, so it's a little disappointing. I did want to see the olive green. My one gripe, besides the volume, is this thing right here. Come on, man. It's 2020. Earbuds, some of them are expensive, some of them aren't so expensive. These were over 100 bucks last year. I'd be pissed if I opened the box up and got that. And it's micro USB, but it is what it is. Urbanista Stockholm, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know about the mic, how the mic sounds. Again, they do boast about having a really good mic, so hopefully that's true. But overall, it's a solid pair of buds, and if you could pick them up for 35 bucks, I do recommend them at that price. And again, the sound quality itself is good. Not a lot of bass because these aren't built for that, but it's crystal clear, and it does sound good. And overall, not a bad pair. Urbanista Stockholms. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll be back soon with more videos, guys. Stay safe out there. Peace.